Electric semi-trucks in 2024. Electric semi-trucks, with their promise of reduced emissions and operational costs, are at the forefront of transportation revolution. Tesla Semi. Powered by 3 motors. Approximately 3 times the power of a typical diesel semi-truck. Range of 500 miles, 800 kilometers. Energy use of less than 2 kilowatt-hours per mile. Charges up to 70% level in 30 minutes. Approximately 2.5 times cheaper per mile than a diesel semi-truck. Peterbilt Model 579 EV. Class 8. GCWR, 82,000 pounds. Used for regional haul, drayage. Max horsepower, 670 horsepower, 500 kilowatts. Front axle and suspension, 12,000 to 14,600 pounds. Rear axle and suspension, 40,000 pounds. Estimated daily range, 150 miles per charge. Minimum charge time, 3 hours. Daimler Trucks. Freightliner M2. Class 6 to 7, medium-duty truck. Typical range. Class 6 M2, approximately 180 miles. Class 7 M2, approximately 250 miles. Recharge time, 0% to 80% in approximately 60 minutes. GVWR, gross vehicle weight rating 26,000 to 33,000 pounds. Excellent maneuverability with up to 55 degrees of wheel cut. Mercedes-Benz e-Actros 600. Payload capacity, up to 48,500 pounds using a standard trailer. Maximum gross weight, 97,000 pounds. Range, approximately 660 miles, with a charged battery during a mandatory driver break. Freightliner eCascadia. Typical range, approximately 230 miles, Class 6, or 370 kilometers, Class 7, depending on vehicle configurations. Multiple battery options. Maximum capacity of almost 440 kilowatt-hours. Recharge to 80% in approximately 90 minutes. Max GCW, gross combination weight up to 82,000 pounds, 37T. Nikola Tre BEV. Max range, equipped with 733 kilowatt-hours of energy capacity, the Tre BEV can travel up to 330 miles on a single charge. Continuous horsepower, it features 2 e-motors with 645 HP and peak wheel torque of over 33,000 ft-lb. Gross combined weight, the Tre BEV can effortlessly carry up to 82,000 pounds. Charging time, it can charge from 10% to 80% in approximately 2 hours at up to 240 kilowatts. Volvo Trucks. Volvo VNR Electric. Range, up to 275 miles on a single charge. Battery capacity, 565 kilowatt-hours. Charging time. 80% charge in 90 minutes, with a 6 battery configuration, using a 250 kilowatts charger. Drivetrain, rated at 455 horsepower with up to 4,051 pounds per ft torque. Volvo FH Electric, heavy-duty electric truck. Battery capacity, 540 kilowatt-hours. Output power, 490 kilowatts continuous power. Range, up to 345 kilometers based on one charge, can cover up to 500 kilometers during a normal workday with top-up charging. Volvo FL Electric, optimized for cleaner and safer city transports. Motor, 330 kilowatts. Battery, 360 kilowatt-hours, 4 batteries. Range, up to 200 kilometers, range depends on various parameters. Charging, 250 kilowatts, DC, 43 kilowatts, AC. ZOE's MDXT. Range, the MDXT offers a range of 130 to 240 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for various commercial applications. GVWR, gross vehicle weight rating depending on the configuration, the GVWR ranges from 26,000 to 33,000 pounds. Charge time, it takes approximately 4 to 5 hours to charge the MDXT using DC fast charging. Max payload, it can carry payloads of up to 15,500 pounds. Max torque, the torque output ranges from 15,300 to 22,500 Nm. Power, the MDXT boasts a power output of 401 to 469 HP. BYD. BYD T5 chassis cab, Class 5. GVWR, the T5 chassis cab has a GVWR of 16,100 pounds. Range, it offers an impressive 155 miles on a single charge. Motor, equipped with an AC permanent magnet synchronous motor producing 201 horsepower and 406 pounds-foot of torque.